Hi everyone, welcome to Windsor Mazda. My name is Victor and I'm Assistant Sales Manager here. Today we're going to talk about used cars. We at Windsor Mazda always love helping you find the perfect vehicle for your price, preference, and need because we have been able to help so many people find a new or certified pre-owned vehicle. We are now looking for more vehicles. We need your used cars. Now you might wonder why selling your vehicle to us is best for you. There are three main reasons you might want to consider. Time and money. Selling a vehicle on your own is not an easy task at all. There are several factors that need to be taken care of, such as road certifications, warranty repairs, and many more. It can be exhaustive mentally as well as financially. When you bring your used car to us, we at Windsor Mazda take care of all such documentation. Second, security in your sale. There have been too many stories of people driving off the vehicle or aggressive drivers causing concern. By bringing your vehicle to us, you remain safe. 3. Trading options. We offer trading options to make your new vehicle cheaper while you can sell your older ones to us. So, bring in your used vehicles. Our helpful staff will answer your questions and make it well worth your time. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website www.windsormazda.com, or you can also call us to book an appointment at 519-735-2211. We are located at 1155 Provincial Road, Windsor, Ontario. Thanks for watching.